Gardening with Soule. Cat grass. Once it's all done, what can you do with it? Don't throw it in your trash. Take this stuff and just throw it out in the back of your garden. And the birds will thank you because they'll go, woohoo, nesting material. And your plants will thank you because what the birds don't get decomposes over time. Or you could put it in your compost heap. But under that, with some very nice rich soil. And I'm just gonna kind of bare a spot of ground back here and crumble this into the soil. Why am I not putting it in my potting soil mix? Because it's been used and a lot of the nutrients are gone from it, but at least it has some peat moss in it, which will help help your garden retain moisture. And I just dug up a irrigation line by accident. But see, just cover it. Just let the soil turn it into more soil. So once your cat grass is done, don't throw it away. You can use it in the garden. And you know, if you don't want to get elaborate as that, you can just take it and crumble it a little bit around your, say, citrus tree or any other plants you have. It'll help. Maybe some of it will blow away, but some of it will get where it's needed. So, cat grass. We're gonna have to do a whole thing on growing cat grass because there's a lot of cat lovers out there and this stuff is expensive in the store. Gardening with Soule. Thanks for watching.